When you look up the best egg incubators for duck eggs, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Everything seems to promise perfect hatching, yet the features all blur together. The real difference is, they're often hidden beneath the surface, and that's what we're going to uncover today.
Product number 1, On-Shoe 18 Egg Incubator. Priced at $59.98, this model caught my attention with its promise of precision temperature control and automatic humidity regulation. If you want to ensure a high hatching rate, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The digital controls keep the temperature within optimal hatching ranges, while the silent fan technology ensures even heat distribution. Plus, the auto-regulated humidity system means you won't be constantly refilling water, which is a huge relief during incubation. In fact, over 3,000 units were sold just last month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people mentioned that the instruction manual can be a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the performance is solid, and the improved hatch rates make it worthwhile, especially for beginners. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an incubator that minimizes supervision and maximizes hatch success. Skip this one if you're after a larger capacity, but for 18 eggs, it's a great deal. Now, if the manual's complexity turned you off, the next incubator might be exactly what you need.
Product number 2, Apto Hatch Pro 12. We have the Apto Hatch Pro 12 retailing at $44.99. The design is bright orange, and what really stood out to me was its user-friendly interface. If easy operation is a priority for you, this one is worth checking out. What sets this apart? It features real-time temperature and humidity displays, so you can monitor conditions at a glance. The automatic egg turning every 2 hours mimics a hen's behavior, which is crucial for healthy embryo development. Plus, the innovative 2-in-1 humidity system means you only need to refill the water bottles a couple of times during the entire incubation period. However, some reviews pointed out that it might not maintain humidity as well as expected. But honestly, if you're diligent about monitoring the levels, it's a minor trade-off for the ease of use and affordability. This is perfect for anyone new to incubating eggs, especially if you want something straightforward and effective. Skip this if you need to hatch more than 12 eggs at once, but it's a solid choice for smaller batches. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger needs.
Product number 3. IB King's 12 Egg Incubator. The IB King's 12 Egg Incubator is another fantastic contender. Its sleek gray design and compact size immediately caught my eye. If you're looking for a reliable machine that's easy to maintain, this might be just what you need. This incubator boasts constant temperature and humidity control, facilitated by an easy-to-read LED display. The automatic egg turning system improves hatch success by ensuring the eggs are rotated at optimal intervals. Plus, the external water refill feature allows you to maintain humidity without opening the lid, which helps stabilize conditions throughout the incubation. On the downside, some users felt the materials were a bit flimsy, but I'll be real with you, the functionality really shines here, and it's hard to beat the price for what you're getting. This is perfect for beginner hatchers who want consistent results without a lot of fuss. Skip this if you're looking for an incubator with a larger capacity, but it's a great value for smaller batches. Now, if you're still looking for something a bit more advanced, let's move on to the next option.
Product number 4, Co-Inceptus 36 Egg Incubator. The Co-Inceptus 36 Egg Incubator, priced at $69.99. This one really grabbed my attention with its capacity to hold up to 36 eggs. If you're serious about duck breeding and need more space, pay attention to this. This incubator comes with 4 automatic incubate modes for different types of poultry, which is super handy. It maintains precise thermal stability and features an automatic egg turning system, which stops 3 days before hatching to prevent overturning. Plus, it has a built-in egg candler to track embryo development, helping you catch any issues early on. Now, some users reported that it can get a bit noisy due to the fan, but honestly, if you're focused on maximizing hatch rates, the benefits here far outweigh that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for serious poultry enthusiasts who need a reliable incubator with ample capacity. Skip this if you're only looking to hatch a few eggs at a time, but for larger needs, it's definitely worth the investment. Alright, that was impressive, but if you need something even more precise, let's check out the final product on our list.
Product number 5, QVKH PCL 12 Egg Capacity Incubator.
we have the QVK-HPCL 12 egg capacity incubator, also at $39.99. I was drawn to its sleek design and the digital display that shows real-time temperature and humidity. If you want precise control during the incubation process, this might be the one for you. What's great about this incubator is its automatic temperature stabilization system, which keeps conditions optimal for hatching. It also features a smart egg turner that mimics natural behavior, stopping just before hatching. The humidity management system is efficient, requiring minimal refills, so you can focus on watching your eggs develop. However, some reviews mention that the instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing. Once you understand the setup, it's a reliable incubator that can yield great results. This is perfect for anyone wanting a compact, effective incubator for home use. Skip this if you need a larger capacity, but it offers great value for the price. So there you have it. We've covered some solid options for incubating duck eggs, each with its unique strengths.
In summary, we explored 5 excellent egg incubators for duck eggs. The Anjou offers precision control, the Apto is user-friendly, the IB Kinix is easy to maintain, the Co-Inceptus provides more capacity, and the QVK-HPCL ensures precise temperature management. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned breeder, there's an option here to meet your needs. Happy hatching!